Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to lower the screen on iPhone. So if you want to lower your iPhone screen, or you want your iPhone screen to operate in a lower mode where the screen is just about half of the screen like this, then this video is going to walk you through a single tap to action that's going to allow you to lower your iPhone on screen. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to lower the screen on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and scroll down the control center. Once you scroll down the control center, drag down the control center itself. You see that? So you can just press and hold anywhere on the control center aside the control center menu and then drag down. You see that? So just drag down on the control center screen and this is going to lower the iPhone screen like this. Now to exit the screen lower just like this, all you just need to do is go ahead and click outside and then you see the full screen pops. So to basically lower your iPhone screen, just drag down from the control center. And then this is going to lower the iPhone screen. So that is basically how to lower your iPhone screen. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.